Hello everyone. So first let's prepare an amazing profile picture and then let's talk something interesting about Instagram's profile pictures. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So I'll be teaching you how to do this on your mobile phone, but you can also do this with your laptop or your PC or any other device as long as you can browse the internet. I'm really sorry for the chicken. There is nothing I can do about it. So step 1 of creating the perfect profile picture is actually clicking a good picture in the first place. So the first step for you is to click 1,000 pictures and select anyone that you think looks amazing. Once you're done clicking picture and selecting one you like, the next thing you have to do is to take your mobile phone and log into any of the browsers that you use. In my case, I'll be using Google Chrome and log in to pfpmaker.com. Once you have logged into this account, you might see a screen very similar to the one you see right now here or here somewhere, wherever I put it during the editing. So yeah, once you are in this website, go to this plus icon here and upload the picture that you selected. The step 3 is to like this video, and you better not ignore this step, because without this the entire thing definitely won't work. Yes, I'm not kidding. Step 4 is to upload the picture that you chose onto this website and let the artificial intelligence on this website do the magic. The website will automatically crop your picture and cut it out for you, and it also does a really good job in it. So you don't have to worry about anything, and once the cropping process is done, now you can actually select the colors that you want, your brand colors maybe, or just any color you want. In my case it's yellow, so I'll just quickly select those colors. You can also click the edit tab and go and resize or replace the picture as you want it to be. And once you're done with all these steps, there are so many options, as you can already see here, for you to choose from, and you can choose any of this and directly download it from the website, as I do here. So you just press download and it starts downloading. So you can directly go and apply it as your profile picture, and that's it. That's all you have to do to have an incredible and really professional looking profile picture. But do you need to do this, or is this really that necessary? So before you change your profile picture, I want you to understand the concepts around the profile picture or the misconceptions around profile pictures as it is right now. So this method of having a plain background or the circles or some very artistic way of portraying yourself has been on trend on Instagram since a very long time now, and almost all the Instagram gurus recommend these methods to make you stand out of the crowd and also get your attention out there. But is this necessary, or is this actually helping you grow on Instagram? This is the question that I want to answer today in this video. So if you are a coach, if you are someone who is trying to sell courses, or if you are trying to teach something, if you are a designer, if you are an Instagram marketer, and you want people to know who you are, and you are trying to build a personal brand based on your face, you want people to recognize you, you want people to trust you, then this is a really good way to portray yourself as the expert, or come out as look very professional. That's what I'm trying to say. So this becomes a really good way to portray yourself. But if you are a dancer, if you are a singer, if you are an artist, or if you are a small business owner, is this really what you should be doing? Is this really worth giving a try? It is definitely worth giving a try. You can try it out for yourself, but I would recommend, if you are a dancer, have some action in your picture. Maybe it's you in your dance costume. If you are a singer, have a picture of you singing. Or if you are a small business owner, for example, if you are selling scrunchies, then have some cute scrunchies on your profile picture. That is going to help you build that vibe around your profile and also help you in the longer run. So this entire trend is definitely not worth it if you are doing it just for the sake of doing it. So understand this concept clearly. If you want to have the professional vibe, if you want to build a personal brand, and if you want people to recognize you from your face, then definitely try this technique out and try this style of profile picture out. But if you want to have a fun, a colorful vibe, then also go for it. This is not a rule that should be followed. I have seen a lot of people lacking a lot of character in their Instagram profile just because they want to follow this method or this whole trend that is going on right now. So definitely don't fall prey for it. Your profile picture should always show the vibe that you believe in. So that's it for this video. I'll soon make a video on how to select your best profile picture or the right profile picture for your account for every possible niche or every possible type of account out there. So I'll make a very detailed video about it. If you don't want to miss out on it, you might also want to subscribe to the channel. So I'll work on that video right now. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace.